What's up everybody, my name is The Option Kind, and today we are going to be unboxing the AKG P220, which will set you back around $155 from the time of this review. First, let's start with the box. It is a all hard plastic case with some feel of thin aluminum edges for that extra sturdy and quality feel. The faux leather faces on all sides of the case feel very premium and give it a very professional look, as well as this hard plastic chromatic lock and handle. As we open the case, we are greeted with a very clean and secure presentation for the premium price you pay. We got some silica gel, which says do not eat, saving that for later. On the right we have the included shock mount, which is fully metal, no plastic parts except for the plastic joints that connect to your mic stand. The rubber bands feel pretty strong, and the location where the microphone screws into the shock mount is also metal, so when you're using it you can screw your mic nice and hard so it's stiff in place. Overall, I love this shock mount. And on the left hand side we have the AKG P220 large condenser microphone itself. The microphone body is a full metal body as well as a metal mesh for the capsule. As far as I'm concerned, this has got to be the most sturdy body I've ever felt. It's heavy, stiff, thick, hard. What was I talking about again? Anyways, it is a XLR microphone, so you'll need an audio interface as well as 48 volts of phantom power. Taking a deeper look into the case, there appears to be 3 sets of elastic rubber bands as replacements for the shock mount. More silica gel, yummy. Turning the case around and taking off the top of the padding from the lid reveals all the necessary documentation. Alright guys, that is my unboxing of the AKG P220. Overall, it is a really nice microphone. The shock mount is really great. It's made out of fully metal, and like tapping it doesn't make any noise. It's amazing. You hear that? It's an ambulance. Anyways, this mic is great for outdoors, I guess, and like ASMR because you can get really close. Yeah, and it just blows my mind. And the reason why I like audio equipment so much, and I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but the reason why I like audio equipment so much is the narcissist inside me really likes to hear my own voice, because damn, I sound like the voice inside your brain that tells you to do the naughty things. And you know one of the naughty things that you could do? You could subscribe. Click the bell icon on the right side of the subscribe button, and whenever a new video comes out, whenever it does, it's like a fucking ancient jewel. There's a dog staring at me. Hello. No, he's running away. Anyways, yeah, when I make a video it's pretty rare, so you know, show your support, like down below, comment what you liked about the microphone, if you like the audio quality, any other microphones that you'd suggest that I review. I'll probably see if I can get it, maybe I'll email them. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my review and unboxing of the AKG P220.